Hello friends, in this video we will learn how to pay income tax in India online through net banking. For this purpose we need a Challan ITNS 280. For this purpose we will open our internet browser. We will write ITNS 280 online. Then we will click e-tax payment system. We will click on Challan number ITNS 280. It is for payment of income tax and corporate tax. Now we will click on income tax other than companies and fill all the details: permanent account number, assessment year 2015-16, or financial year is 2014-15. सेल्फ असेसमेंट टैक्स पे हम क्लिक करेंगे. उसके बाद यहाँ पर हम ये फिर कोड है इसको लिख देंगे. हमने पैन नंबर डाल दिया, असेसमेंट ईयर चूज़ कर लिया. असेसमेंट ईयर 15-16 का मतलब होता है फाइनेंशियल ईयर 14-15. ठीक है, फॉर द पीरियड 1st of April 2014 to 31st March 2015. Now we have chosen bank, Punjab National Bank. Now it will show the permanent account number and full name of SSE. It is also indicating financial year is 2014-15 for the above assessment year. After confirming, click on the submit to bank. It will bring you on the calculation sheet. Basic tax is 929, education tax 28 as per your requirement. So then we will submit. It will confirm about the details you have input. Now click on the submit button. It will ask for retail user or corporate user. If you are retail user, now consider one thing: income tax online payment can only be made through net banking of any bank. Okay, retail we will choose for Punjab National Bank retail user. Make payment, user ID and password it is asking. Now it is asking for transaction password. I have put transaction password, submit it. It will generate Challan ITNS 280, cyber receipt of payment of direct tax. PAN number of SSE will be shown here, and SIN number यानी कि Challan identification number, BSR code, date of receipt and Challan number, BSR code of 7 digit, date and Challan number of 5 digit will be shown. Name of the SSE will be shown over here. Amount of tax deposited. So you can take printout of this Challan easily. Now stop it here. If you like this video, you can subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.